not coming out unless you get loud. There are three things that this guy is all about. His motto, God, family, and ducks. Ladies and gentlemen, from Monroe, Louisiana, Jase Robertson. Make some noise,
Are there any quacks in this house? Y'all can be seated or you can just stand up the whole time. It don't matter to me one stand up. I'd probably sit down. I heard you entertained Willie last night. I appreciate that. Look, I've whooped his tail for 2 years every day. It was the best I could do. You know what I realized when we were kids? I realized that God made some men where they were just born to fish and hunt and be good at it. He made others to be women, and then he made others that are good for flotation devices. Some of y'all are a little slow in here. That's Willie. I want to tell you, it's been a wild ride with the show. I was one who said this will never work. I just didn't think that people would watch a reality show with a bunch of bearded rednecks on the riverbank. I just didn't think that was very entertaining.